Hi guys, welcome to Distracker channel, guys. So guys, one question is asking everyone in my YouTube channel. Sir, I'm unable to post content Facebook to Instagram. What is the new update? What is the new feature from the in your uploading content Facebook and Instagram option? So Facebook, Instagram profile not suitable. Profile not suitable. Only suitable by the your Facebook business page. First question. So your profile will not eligible by the Instagram to Facebook page. That only for desktop version. In your mobile version, we can connect into the profile and the page also. Everything will be possible. That is a Instagram business account. But here, if you have post the content Facebook, Instagram at a time, that only option name is called Facebook business page connecting for Instagram account. How we can connect? Instagram will be login. Facebook, go to setting option. Here we'll be selecting option name is called Instagram. First of all, connectivity is important. The connectivity more important for the particular option. So after that, you will be synchronize the option. So once it's done, next option, previous business.facebook.com/ your page will be accepted. But the rules will be changed from the Facebook business option. Now only option name is called Facebook Creator Studio option is there. Changes is compulsory important, keep it in mind. So when you connecting this option, only will be post the content Instagram, Facebook page at a time in the same time. We can schedule, everything will be possible. I can show by every option. Now select this option. First of all, Instagram account login compulsory important. After this one, when you're posting Instagram option, select your Facebook business page. Add your first of all image. Image is the first preference. Go to image. What is the image you want? Select image. Next, add your social media content with use your hashtags. So Instagram, the specially adding for 30 hashtag, 30 mention 2200 characters. So how many characters? 2200 characters. We can use 30 hashtags. 30 you can mention. That is called @ will be 30, hashtag will be 30. Now share it. Click for publish it. Now finally, it is done post for your particular Instagram and your particular Facebook page also. At a same time will be post. Same time will be post. But here link is working for Facebook page. Link is not working for Instagram option. Only one drawback. Next one, when sharing time, what are the content you will be shared on your Instagram to Facebook? I tell you this. Lot of people worry about that. So how we can schedule post? Here either will be schedule post for Facebook, here schedule post for Instagram. Both are completely different. Not both will be not same. So yes, small drawback, people will be confused. When you schedule post at a time, Facebook, Instagram, Facebook will be here and Instagram will be here. There is an option. So here will be schedule the Instagram post. So minimum required time will be here. So they mention minimum 10 minutes to 75 days. Here, schedule. Minimum 10 minutes to 75 days. These are the options will be given by the Facebook and Instagram. So up to 75 days, you can schedule the post, Facebook and Instagram after 10 minutes. Now 11:16, after 11:26 p.m., you can schedule the post for both Facebook and Instagram option. These are, you can keep it on to mind to work on it on the particular posting content. Facebook and Instagram at a time post, at a time will be schedule the post also, Facebook and Instagram option. follow these steps. What are the parameters are required, advanced setting, everything will be accessible in a particular option. Turn off commenting option, everything is eligible in a posting time. Add your content, extra, upload picture from Facebook page. So these are the future will be given to schedule post, editing, Facebook and Instagram option. One more thing, we at a time we can upload by multiple photos also. No need to worry. We can add by the multiple photograph also. So 3, 4, 5. Now you can schedule. So these are the future will be given at a time will be scheduled post, Facebook and Instagram option. So follow these instructions and promote your content at a time Facebook and Instagram option. Any particular doubts can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.